Welcome back to Introduction to Symbolic Logic. This is lecture 4. Today we are going to start out by introducing a few more semantic concepts. In particular, 3 additional semantic concepts, which are joint satisfiability, tautological equivalence, and tautological entailment. In a second step, we are going to discuss how we can use truth tables to test for joint satisfiability, tautological equivalence, and tautological entailment. We are going to see that these truth tables can become very complex and big. And so in a third step, we are going to discuss how you can simplify this process and use partial truth tables to answer some questions. And then finally, in the fourth part of this lecture, we are going to breach a new topic and talk about expressive completeness. Okay, we talked about a few semantic concepts yesterday. We discussed tautologies, contradictions, and truth table contingent sentences. And now we are going to build on this and add a few more semantic concepts. And the basic difference to the concepts that you have already heard about is that we are now talking about the properties of multiple sentences at a time, or in other words, about the relationships between multiple sentences, rather than just the properties of individual sentences. The first new concept is the concept of joint satisfiability. 2 or more sentences are jointly satisfiable if and only if there is a valuation on which they both or all are true.